This is Joe. Joe has been interested in investing in multifamily real estate. Joe wants to know what kind of properties he should invest in that would provide him with the greatest opportunity to earn high return, so he is able to retire early. Joe has decided to network with many experienced and successful real estate investors at a multifamily meetup. Joe has learned that choosing to invest in the right property comes down to the term value add. Value add is a term that is used to describe a property that offers an opportunity to increase cash flow through renovations, rebranding, and/or operational efficiencies, meaning an effective team managing the property. A fellow investor tells Joe that a property that could be physically outdated and may contain managerial issues, but is in a prime location and great market, could be an amazing value add opportunity. This would allow the new property management team to come in, update the property, add amenities, and hire an awesome staff. These factors will allow management to raise rents, obtain more tenants, and reduce overall vacancies of the apartment complex. Value add allows Joe to buy at the discounted rundown price and later sell it in much better condition, just like flipping a house would be for a single-family home. Joe sees that value add properties will give him an opportunity to earn the highest returns on his investment, allowing him to retire from his job and enjoy doing all of the things he's always wanted to do.